Hi guys! I'm Cynthia Vera from CynthiaVeraBakes.com, and today I'm going to be making this lovely Barbie doll cake using pink and purple fondant, then decorated with edible sprinkles and pearls. I have already baked the dress cake using the doll cake pan and my moist vanilla cake recipe, and I will link that pan and the recipe in the description below. As always, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming cake decoration videos. Alright, let's get decorating! After the cake is cooled down, I trimmed it to 5 even layers and punched a hole in the center using a small round cookie cutter. Then I started filling and assembling the cake using my simple American buttercream frosting. I crumb coated the entire cake and chilled it for a bit before adding the final layer of buttercream frosting. Try your best to smooth out the cake, then cool it again one last time to firm up the buttercream frosting. While the cake is cooling down, I started coloring my fondant pink and purple for the Barbie dress. Then I rolled out the purple fondant and cut an A shape and folded the edges. I cut out one large A-shaped purple fondant and 4 more smaller A-shaped fondant for the base of our Barbie gown. I rolled up a white fondant and smoothed out the bottom part to create frills for the bottom part of the gown. I painted a little bit of water on the bottom part of the cake and carefully assembled the frills. After I have assembled the frills, I added the widest purple A-shaped fondant in the center and added 2 smaller purple fondant in both sides. I rolled out the pink fondant and cut an A shape big enough to cover the rest of the cake in the back. Then I rolled up more pink fondant to attach on top of the purple fondant as the second layer of the Barbie dress. Then lastly, I cut up more of the pink fondant and rolled them up to add more flowy texture to the Barbie dress. For the Barbie doll's corset, I cut out a sweetheart neckline top, then I assembled it by adding a little bit of water all over her torso and attached the cutout pink fondant for her corset. Then I painted her dress with silver edible dust to add lots of shimmer. For her sleeves, I wanted it to look very dainty, so I rolled up a really thin purple fondant and attached it to the top of her dress and her shoulders, then finally adding a molded pink rose in between. I molded more little pink roses and attached them to her waist. Now that the Barbie gown is done, I'm just gonna add a few more details. I molded out different sizes of roses in pink and light pink, then I assembled it all over her gown. Then finally, I added a few edible pearls to add more texture to her beautiful gown. And finally, the crown. I molded the crown using this mold, which I will link in the description below. And after that, I trimmed the bottom and just painted it with gold luster dust and let it dry for a few minutes. And that's it. That's our beautiful Barbie doll dress cake. So that's it for my beautiful Barbie doll dress cake. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my next videos. See you next time!